Hello guys, it's Ethan-iasim and we just encountered a bird eating a baby in our garden. Let's go. Sorry about quality.
We've got some seeds.
Yes, seeds.
Try and
Wait, you
yeah.
can't see it, but it may look like
bird.
it may look like what's they called? Pigeons, yeah.
Yeah, pigeons.
But isn't one, trust me.
Right, can we see
Get through
it?
the football now.
Can we see it?
Right.
Can we see the bird?
Look at all them feathers. Look at it. It's not a pigeon, and I was stuck in that net there. Why are you throwing seeds in my face? You can. Let me zoom in. Do I throw seeds at me? See, you can just see the baby. That grey bit you can see there is a baby. That grey bit is a baby, trust me. Okay, that's better quality. Okay, that is it. No, isn't that deadly?
Deadly. Should be on Deadly 6.
Deadly 60 or something, where it's called.
Oh, that's these people.
Wow, leaf in the face. See, you can see them legs. This is so weird. Did you hear that noise? Ty, did you hear that?
Yeah.
It actually just squealed so loud. See that? It's squealing.
Yeah,
Don't! It's gonna freaking kill me.
no, I'm just trying to see what happens if you touch
No,
them.
that is not that bird. It's someone else. No, don't touch it.
We'll see what happens.
No, don't. It will kill me. Yeah. It's moving. It's picking up the baby and moving. It looks like, wow, now
What happens when the baby
is, look at it. Why bamboo?
But then it's like,
Okay, we're done with iguanas and panda. Panda. No, that's not how it goes. Bird. I don't even know what bird it is. I promise it's not a pigeon. It's like it's... Look at it, it's just stamping on its prey.
Stop stamping on it.
See, that is it. That grey bit you can see right there is it.
There's a mouse.
Huh. How's that a mouse? In a bush. In a bush. It just... It actually could be, right?
Yeah, that's a mouse.
You sure? Don't... It's,
Accidentally touched it.
don't accidentally. That was on purpose, I could tell.
It wasn't. It was accidentally. I thought I was trying to hit his baby.
Okay, it's just... That in its mouth is food.
This thing here is just bamboo.
Are you sure that's a mouse?
Yeah.
No, earlier we saw the beak. And we literally just saw it, then we were shocked. See, that's it. Sorry guys that this video short. I have to wrap it up here. Bye guys. Say bye. Can't you see ya? Okay, you're too close. Okay, let me just...
You know what?
Okay,
You kill baby.
bye.